he couldn't believe it. He said, "What is this? My brother goes to Vrindavan. He wears his socks on Govardhan Prikwa, and when I get them in South India, several days later, they smell like sandalwood. This is the extraordinary fragrance of the dust of Vrindavan, Brajaraj." So somehow, because Giridhari, just like, for example, if you put on some perfume or you put on some Giriraj's perfume or itra, whatever, then you take your shirt off. Oh, it's smelling like that because of contact. So the Brajaraj on the Govardhan Prikma, what is that Brajaraj? It's Giriraj. Giriraj is Shamsundar, Sakshat Krishna. So Krishna's body is described in our Shastras. Krishna is Satchidananda Rupam, his transcendental form. It smells like, of course, it's only comparison. It's a very mundane and limited comparison. But Krishna's Sharir, his Deha, it smells like Kasturi and Kapoor. Kasturi, Kapoor, and Chandan, and Aguru. And sometimes it's described Nilotpala. Nilotpala means a blue lotus. He's also blue. So Krishna's body, Giridhari's body, smells like sandalwood, and it smells like sandalwood, and it smells like musk, and it smells like camphor, and it smells like this. So kunkam. So you can imagine that because the dust of Vrindavan the dust of Govardhan Hill is the dust of Krishna's body. It's non-different. So that's the tattva, that's the explanation behind why the socks smell like sandalwood.